Hello everyone, welcome to Amina Nails. In this video, I thought I'd just show you quickly what I got in my Walmart Beauty Box. This is I think it's like $6.95 or something, but basically it's under $10 for this um, beauty box. It's only 4 times a year. It's each season. This one is the fall 2024. It says Beauty Box Fall 2024 B7. So I'm guessing this is the seventh like version that you can get, the seventh assortment. So I got this pretty fast, honestly. I didn't expect to get it for like a little while, but I did. So even though it's a little different than what I normally do, I thought I'd show you. So I already opened up everything to make this a little on the easier side to go through. So you open it up and you have the little pamphlet. It says Fall for Beauty, Meet Your Next Obsessions, Jumpstart your fall routine with the best in beauty for face, body, and hair. Shop these favorites and find ingredient information at walmart.com/beautybox. So you have the Olay cleansing melts. This one, everybody received, as far as I know, the way it was advertised, everybody received that. The full size is a 32 count for $9.88. The one that comes in the box is a 4 count. It's a daily facial cleanser that transforms the look and feel of skin without stripping. Water activated cleansing pads activate into a rich lather to clean, tone, and refresh skin. Then you have the sample or travel size, degree travel size dry spray antiperspirant deodorant in Sexy Intrigue. The full size is a 3.8 ounce. It's $6. It says it protects from sweat and odor for up to 72 hours with scents of jasmine, red rose, Tahitian vanilla, and spicy amber. Then we have CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus Lash Line in bold black. The full size is $7.98. I do believe it is a full size that comes in here. Then the Husk Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner. Full size is $197. The EOS Shea Better Body Lotion for Dry Skin in Vanilla Cashmere. Full size is 16 ounce and it's $8.98. You have the NYX Professional Makeup Duck Plumping Lip Gloss. The full size is $12.97. I did not receive that. I received everything else though. And then lastly, the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Hold Jelly. Full size is $11.97. It does say, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Then the back says, like it, love it, leave a review. And then about that Carol's Daughter Moisture Hold Jelly. And then it shows you the full size of that EOS. So inside we have, let's make sure. Okay, so we have that Husk, the Keratin Smoothing Deep Conditioner with keratin and jojoba seed oil. It fights frizz, prevents breakage. On the back, it says this keratin and jojoba seed oil infused deep conditioning treatment helps smooth the hair's cuticle and prevent breakage in weak, damaged hair to control frizz, boost softness, and deliver super glossy strands. Now, I don't have damaged hair. I've never actually treated my hair, like dyed it or anything at the root and not anywhere close to my scalp. So my hair is in its natural state. It's pretty much fine. I have not used this yet, so I'm not sure like exactly what it would do, but if I do end up using it, I'm pretty sure I'll get like 3 uses out of it with the amount that's in here. You might want to put this in a bottle, but I'll like either put it in the comment section or put it in the description box of how I liked it. Then we have that Olay, the cleansing melts. This one is in vitamin C. I think they have 3 different types. They might have more, but basically it says soak, gently add water, let dissolve, activate the rich creamy lather, and then wash, massage into face. I think you can pop out this little plastic part, so you can just take that into the bathroom with you. This is resealable. Basically, let me see if I can get it out. So we have these little these are the things that you foam up. They smell very clean, like they have a nice fragrance to them. And then once again, that is resealable, and it has the direction or the caution on the back and the ingredients. We have that Degree Advanced 72-hour Motion Sense Dry Spray in Sexy Intrigue. This is an antiperspirant deodorant, so it does prevent sweating. I'm not sure how well it works. I'm very sensitive when it comes to a lot of products, so I tend to stick to the ones that are, you know, like dermatologically recommended. But this one does smell very nice. It comes out super strong, so you might want to be careful if you use this and you're not familiar with it. It says shake well and hold 6 inches away from the underarm and spray. But it smells nice. I did not have an allergic reaction or anything weird when I used this, so it seems to be fine. Normally, I use the Degree Clinical because that seems to be the only one that does not cause like a weird reaction with me. We have that Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Hold Jelly. It's supposed to hold for 72 hours for dry, dull, and brittle hair. Now, both of these seem to be for hair that's like damaged or breaking. I don't have breaking hair right now. It seems to be fine. I'm not sure how well my hair will react to this. I do have very fine, very straight, pretty thin hair. Like, I don't have a lot of hair. I will try it and see what it, you know, does. It says you can put it on wet, damp, or dry hair and just apply evenly. So I'm not sure, but you know, it might be something nice. Winter is coming, so both of those, or at the time I'm posting this, right, winter is coming, so it does get rather dry well, at the end of autumn and as we move into winter here. So this is the Perfect Point Plus Lash Line Micro Eye Pencil. It's also for the tight line. It says easy tight line, smooth glide. This is the waterproof. It's in bold black. I will say I tested this out to see how waterproof it was, and it broke on me, and I'm very light-handed with things, so that's it. And see how like it is very nice and thin, right? And it is like smudge proof, so it's right, it does like really stay where it is. So if you're interested in it, I would say, you know, try it out. Like I said, it breaks. I did have a little bit of a hard time trying to like tight line and line my waterline. Maybe there was too much moisture, but it's, you know, definitely gonna go get some use out of it. And this is the EOS Shea Better 24-hour moisture body lotion in vanilla cashmere. This is pretty large, and unlike this, which is not filled up, it's like maybe halfway at best. This is actually filled up all the way and very heavy. There's a lot in here, and this is more than worth the price to me of the box. Like this and this together, like I would say also that, like those three, more than worth the price of the box. But this alone, this, you don't need a lot of this. It goes it spreads so like far, just a little bit spreads like so far, and it's really like quite nice. It's quite moisturizing. I do like the, I don't know, the softness that's there. But I will say it says dermatologist recommended, paraffin free. It's got some good ingredients in it. It does have glycerin, which is nice, and then that shea oil, shea butter. It does smell like yogurt, so just putting it out there. It has a scent of that like sort of tart, sweet vanilla yogurt. If you're not too fond of that, there might be like another fragrance or something out there, but it has a yogurty scent to it, in my opinion. I also asked my mom, and she said, yeah, it has that yogurty smell to it. But that's what came in this box. I think that's a very nice box. As I said, I got everything except for the lip product, but I'm sort of surprised because normally they only come with 4 to 5 products, but I got 6, so I'm like really pleased with that one. And once again, I got the version 7 of this, so that's what I got. I hope that you like that, and I thank you for watching. Please have a good day. Bye.